Hey everyone, it's Leslie here with your Harris County Live. How are you this Tuesday afternoon? I hope you all are doing well. I meant to get on earlier, but had an appointment at 1 o'clock, so I wasn't able to do that. Had to go see a project about a project that we were looking to engage in, a restoration effort that I don't know, just don't know what's going to happen there, but I'm a praying person, and so are my team of people, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, today what I wanted to talk about with your Harris County Live, which is a tribe of people in or around the Harris County area who stay on top of the best hot spots, restaurants. Hey Gabby. Restaurants, hot spots, shopping, lifestyle events, just things that are going on in and around Harris County area. I am Leslie Chapman, and I am a lifestyle blogger, and I am also a realtor. So today, what I wanted to talk about is the benefits of a VA loan. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to all of you who are watching, who are veterans and who are currently serving and who may have served in the line of duty or not, active or inactive. You've put forth your effort and contribution of service to this country, and I want to say thank you for that. And today my talk is about you guys in terms of benefits for those of you who may be interested in getting a VA loan. So here are some benefits about VA loans. We heard about VA loans, but there are some good benefits about of it. I had a recent client who closed on their home, and the husband is a veteran, so they benefit from that. So the first thing is no down payment on a VA loan. So they offer mortgages with low or no down payments. So which gives you as a buyer an opportunity to get into a home and start building equity without having that large down payment, because sometimes that is a showstopper to even getting a home, is the down payment. Second is that there's no PMI, no private mortgage insurance. So whereas other loans like conventional loans have monthly PMI payments in addition to your regular payment, until certain criteria is met, that you've paid off more than 20% of the home. VA loans don't have mortgage insurance, so private mortgage insurance, so that's also another benefit. There are relaxed credit requirements with VA loans because they are backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. And so that enables them to offer loans to individuals who have a varied range of credit histories, some with little credit or even lower credit scores. So that's another advantage of it. Number 4 is that they have forgiving debt to income ratios. You may hear the term DTI. That refers to debt to income ratios, how much debt one has when compared to how much income that they generate. And so whereas most lenders will look for a DTI ratio of 35% or less, with VA loans, lenders can be more generous, and they can have a requirement of debt to income ratio requirement of 41% or less. So that's another benefit. Also, there's flexibility with the funding fee. With a VA loan, you do have the options to, when it comes to paying this fee or other closing costs, the funding fee can be paid at closing, or it can be rolled into the total loan amount. Hey, Connie, how you doing, sis? We're talking about VA loans today and benefits of VA loans. And, for those of you who are watching who may not be veterans but may know some veterans, definitely let them know about this if they have not purchased a home or are wanting to purchase a home and they qualify for a VA loan. Also, speaking of qualification, it's easier to qualify for VA loans. They don't have any down payment requirements. They offer lower qualifying credit scores. They have the forgiving debt to income ratios, and all of that helps, to make it easier for one to qualify for a VA loan. And then also with the partnership with the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, it allows private lenders to offer these unique plans to attract veterans as well. So that's some of the benefits of the VA loans. But one of the things that I also wanted to talk about was what all can you buy with a VA loan? Because, I mean, we may not be knowing this. I wasn't aware until I had to get into it with a client and explore more. Like, I didn't know you can buy multifamilies with it. So let's talk about it. You can buy a single family home with a VA loan. You could also buy a condominium unit in a VA approved development. So you'd have to get with an agent who is VA savvy, and also lenders as well that are knowledgeable with VA loans, offering VA loans, providing them that can give you guidance there. But you can buy a condo with your VA loan. New construction, you can buy new builds with a VA loan. You can get a VA construction loan to build a new home. That was something I wasn't aware of. And so that, again, you would have to get with someone who's savvy on it, a lender and an agent, but that can definitely happen. With the VA loan, you could also buy a manufactured home. The VA does allow for manufactured homes, but it can be difficult against these type of properties. So, get the information, do your due diligence, but it is a possibility. You can also buy a modular home with a VA loan. Mobile homes are usually built to the National HUD standards, so they qualify. But again, with the getting into these specialized properties, specialty property types, definitely get with individuals who are savvy on it. And then buying a multi-unit. Military buyers can purchase up to 4 one-family residential units in a multi-unit property. At least one of those units must be used as the buyer's primary residence, and duplexes are among the most common. So literally, as a vet, hey Sandra, it's good to see you there. Hey, thanks for joining. If you're a veteran, you could buy a duplex, you could buy a fourplex, you could buy a triplex, 3 units. You live in one of them, and you could have tenants paying your mortgage down for you. So how does that benefit you? You're receiving passive income, right? Number one, you're receiving passive income. Someone else is paying your mortgage and you don't have to make that payment. Number two, your property is appreciating in value. Now, this is my area. That's why I can speak on this one. What a benefit to be able to have a place to live. Someone is paying it down for you, and your property's going up in value, and you're reaping the tax benefits when you go to file your taxes, because you can write off stuff from your property. So it's like a no-brainer. If I were a vet, I'd definitely be on that one. Anyway, another thing about VA loans is that some of them are assumable, which means that after you finish living there, you could actually, depending on the type of loan that you have, if it's assumable, one of your relatives can assume taking over those payments without having to qualify because you qualified initially. So there's a lot of benefits with the VA loan, and I just wanted to pique your interest to spark some research on your behalf if that's the route that you could possibly go. So for you, though, who may be starting out, young ones who are vets and want to get a house, or you're thinking about property and what could I do with my VA loan, there are opportunities there. For those of you who may be older, who may be haven't utilized your VA loan to purchase a home, there are opportunities. And so, or you may want to purchase again utilizing your VA loan. So there's so much that you can do, so much to learn, so much out there. And I just wanted to bring a little slice and make a contribution of sharing some information out there about VA loans. If you are in the market looking for that and you want to, ask me some questions or anything like that, there's no gimmicks or anything, or no pressure here. Definitely feel free to send me a private message. I can be reached also on Instagram and Facebook at Your Harris County, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it is Your Harris County as well. I will I upload videos there regularly, and you can also check me out on my website where I do have my blogs are up there as well at yourharriscounty.com. So if there are no more questions, or any questions, I don't see any, y'all have a good day, and I'll see you around. Cheers.